I'm so glad you made it here. I'm Janice Bell, and I live in San Diego, California. I can't wait to share my next real estate investor hangout with you. Each week, I discuss important topics, bring on speakers, and answer your questions. The topic for this week's hangout is posted on the registration page. If you're already on G+, go ahead and RSVP to that event. If you're on Facebook, you can join the event. You'll have to look for the link in the description to click on that to actually register for the hangout. If you're on another social media, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, or my website, go ahead and look for a button or a link so you can register for the hangout. And if you know a friend who might be interested in investing in real estate, please go ahead and share the link with them. I look forward to seeing you on my next hangout.